are in Hudson, Florida, on Hudson Beach particularly, and we're coming to a Sam's Beach Bar. We were recommended. There's two cool restaurants. It's a very small town, and guess what I see in front of me now? The Gulf. How you doing, honey? Why are you bundled up? This is Florida weather.
Oh.
53 degrees. Doesn't feel like Florida, but this is Sam's. They got a cool outdoor eating place, and we're walking over here. Oh, how beautiful is this? We will be fishing out this way for sure. Oh, look at this, guys. Is this not gorgeous? This is absolutely beautiful. Well, are you ready to chow down at Sam's?
Yeah, let's see their menu.
Let's take a look. We're inside Sam's Beach Bar. Oh, this is very cool. Very, very cool. And we've got a beautiful view of the Gulf. Nobody wants to stay outside today. A little too cold. Hey guys, welcome to Fish Hook Outdoors. This is Charles, and I have my lovely wife, Amy, with me. We are in Hudson Beach, Florida. This is awesome. A cool place right on the Gulf. The view is breathtaking. So we've never eaten here before, but we've got a little birdie told us we need to check out Sam's Beach Bar. So we're gonna look at the menu and we'll bring you in a little closer and we'll see what's for dinner. Here is the menu. We are getting Sam's coconut shrimp to start with. You can't go to Florida and not have shrimp. Look at this, really, really nice. And here's the backside. Oh yeah, he's got all kinds of great dishes here. Love it. Look at this. So you guys can get an idea of pricing. Grouper and oysters are market price because they're just off the wall. For some reason, they're extremely hot. Well guys, our first appetizer came. We had to order. What do we get, huh?
Coconut shrimp.
Coconut shrimp. Sam's coconut shrimp. And I guess this is a citrus marmalade or something.
Let's try it.
We're gonna try it. We're gonna chow down, and I'm gonna let you do first honors, honey.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna taste the tail part.
There you go. So what do you think, honey?
Excellent.
You don't eat the tails. I do.
Very tender.
Oh yeah. But you gotta. Isn't that delicious? Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, these are real. You can taste a lot of coconut with this. They're good.
These are great.
Well, as you can see, yet another cool beach dive restaurant. There's only two here. It's a very small community, Hudson Beach, but it's beautiful. The view is $1 million, and that's what you come to Florida for: the water, the view, and really good seafood. I love this. Just look how succulent that is. I can't help it. It's just outrageous. Oh yeah. This is my kind of place.
These are great shrimp.
I hope you guys enjoy this.
Or the coconut shrimp.
They're excellent.
Okay.
Excellent, thank you. We ordered for dinner. They recommended, I love lobster mac and cheese, but this is a dinner portion, so we'll see how good it is. And Amy, what else did we order?
I think we ordered oysters. No?
Clams.
Clams.
Oh, that's right. They have a steamed basket. And that was about 20 bucks, but a whole bunch of clams. So that is right up my alley. So when that comes, we'll bring in, and we'll show you what that's all about. Well, this has been unbelievable fast service. We came in, there was only 2 or 3 tables. The place is packed out in a matter of 30 minutes. But look at this. Lobster mac and cheese. Oh man, am I gonna get into this? We're gonna get into it. And check this steamed clam thing out. Steamed butter, steamed clam, butters, and potatoes, and andouille sausage. So honey, I'm gonna let you do again first honors. What do you want to get into?
I'll just try a clam. Okay.
Okay, let me leave this right here.
That tastes great. Very chewy, very tender.
Let me try one. Let me steal your fork. These are small clams, guys. They must be the local ones. Dip that in your butter.
Very good.
Different type of clam altogether. Very tasty. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try here. Lobster mac and cheese. She highly recommended this, so let's see how good it is. Look. How do you not like lobster? Try it, honey, and you're gonna love it. It's got loads of cheese. It's got the rosa macaroni. You didn't grab enough macaroni, honey. Watching carbs. Yeah, delicious.
Creamy.
Oh yeah. Well, good choice again as usual. We're striking a home run on all these beach dives we're going to, so we're gonna eat a little more of this, and we'll let you know how really good it is. My wife is an interior designer, home staging. She just finished a home here yesterday, right?
Yes.
In the area. It was highly recommended to a couple of restaurants right here in Hudson Beach. That's all I need, a recommendation, and I'm all over it. So that's why we came to Sam's. That's how we found out. And these little dive places, you really got to overlook price for the availability of this kind of food, the lobster, the clams, the shrimp, all the types of seafood fresh from the Gulf. So what did you think of Sam's?
I absolutely enjoyed myself. It has a good vibe, a good feel over here. Met some nice people. The waitress was excellent. Had a lot of great recommendations for what we should eat. She was spot on. And we saw a lot of other people getting the coconut shrimp. The coconut shrimp were plump and juicy and great hit. So again, I really like this restaurant. I would definitely come back.
Yeah, buddy. Number one choice. We got a first-hand recommendation, and we took it, and it really paid off. It was good. The food was delicious. The only thing I will say, she told me the name of the clams were called Coast to Coast. I never heard of that. I just never heard of Coast to Coast clams, but they were really small. There was a ton of them. You just got to eat a pound of them to get enough to satisfy me. I got a big appetite, but it really was delicious. The lobster mac and cheese was excellent, and I'm sure that lobster, I didn't ask her, was from down south here in these waters. So it was excellent. The service was fast as can be. I couldn't believe it. We no sooner had the appetizers down, here comes the meal. So everything was great. Good choice, man. Bam.